Go ahead, yeah. Well, you don't have to do the whole thing, but if you want to, yeah, do the whole thing. Go ahead.
All right, chew it up.
Yeah, chew it up.
All right.
Just eat it. Don't worry, you can eat that. I eat a lot of stuff.
All right.
There you go. There we go. See? Fridgemcchesthair making other people eat stuff.
Woo.
Is it warm?
Starting to get warm.
What are you eating?
We don't know. It's this is the hottest pepper in the world, Carolina Reaper. But
Oh.
I think that one might have been a ghost pepper. If it's that.
Wow.
You trying to kill him?
Where is she?
Brad, are you okay?
No. Holy sh. Whew. I am not ready for that. Oh my god. My eyes. I shouldn't have rubbed my face. Oh.
Now you need
Right,
to
we
get
should
some
have went
bread to
outside.
Emergency.
eat. You need to get some bread to eat.
Oh, emergency. Oh. It's not getting better. Can't drink water.
No, water will make you. I
you-
give you my really cold ice water. But
You should know honey. Honey is good.
No, really. Oh my god.
Hey, I'm fun, Brad.
No. Oh.
Brad, this is what I do for fun.
I'm gonna die. We gotta do something.
Alright, you wanna go buy some honey? They say that's good.
I can't talk. I'm suffering. This is the worst. Holy crap.
Alright, let's go.
Oh.
Hey, you should wash your hands. Oh yeah. There's a sink in here. Not a good time, eh?
Oh. I'm gonna puke.
No, don't do that outside. Do that outside.
I need something.
Yeah,
Anything.
honey. Oh, start drinking the water.
I don't have it.
No, it's right in front of you.
It's gonna make it worse.
Oh, here you go.
Here.
There you go. Yeah. But definitely honey. Well, so they say.
It gets rid of it. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna need. I think I'm gonna make it.
Yeah. It's starting to go away.
No, but it's not getting worse.
Yeah, it's
There's
good.
something like ice water. Super, super cold water, so maybe it'll help.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Maybe.
You know Mickey from Produce. Me and him ate a ghost pepper. It's pretty rough.
Oh,
Yeah.
holy.
Yeah.
Holy.
Okay. Just don't get
That
sick.
made it worse.
Just don't get sick.
Yeah. That'll be fine. It's good for him.
That can kill people though.
Oh, well,
Don't do it.
don't die.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Just breathing hurts.
Yeah. All right, hey, let's go. I hang out at work. This is ridiculous. So you're fine now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll be fine.
All right. I just took this video just for fun. I won't post it or nothing. Anything you want to say?
Put it on YouTube. I don't care.
Yep. Fridge making people eat. Pretty sure that was a ghost pepper.